Death is one of the few things every living creature shares, but some animals have evolved to resist it in ways that seem almost impossible, from surviving frozen solid to enduring crushing pressure beneath the ocean. These are the creatures that defy death. This animal can freeze solid, its heart stops, its brain shuts down, and yet it doesn't die. The wood frog survives winter by freezing nearly 70% of its body water. Ice forms inside its organs. Blood stops flowing. When spring arrives, it slowly thaws and comes back to life. Scientists still don't fully understand how its cells survive this process. Nature didn't read the rulebook. This animal can shut itself down for years. When conditions become extreme, heat, drought, or no food at all, it seals itself inside its shell. Its metabolism slows almost to nothing. No eating, no drinking. Some snails have survived like this for years at a time, waiting until life becomes possible again. This fish can survive without water, when rivers dry up and the mud begins to crack. The African lungfish buries itself underground. It secretes a layer of mucus around its body that hardens into a protective cocoon. Inside, it slows its metabolism dramatically. It breathes air and waits, sometimes for years, until the rain returns. This animal can regrow its entire body. Lose an arm, it grows back. In some species, a single arm can regenerate into a whole new animal. Sea stars don't just heal, they rebuild themselves. Survival doesn't always mean staying intact. This animal can regrow its entire body. Cut it in half. Both halves survive. Cut it again. And again. Planarian flatworms can regenerate indefinitely. They don't seem to age in the normal way. Some scientists think they may be biologically immortal. Life doesn't always play by our rules. This tiny animal doesn't seem to age. It can regenerate its entire body. Cut it in half. Both parts survive. Scientists have kept Hydra alive for decades without signs of aging. As long as it isn't injured or starved, it may never die naturally. Lobsters don't seem to age the way we do. As they get older, they don't slow down, they don't lose fertility, and they don't naturally weaken. Lobsters produce an enzyme called telomerase. It helps protect their DNA as they age. In theory, a lobster doesn't die of old age. It usually dies from injury or exhaustion. There's a creature that can reverse its own aging. When it's injured or stressed, it doesn't heal, it resets. The immortal jellyfish can transform itself back into a juvenile state, then grow up again. In theory, it can repeat this process forever. Scientists are studying it to understand aging, and whether death is as inevitable as we think. This animal can survive without oxygen for up to 18 minutes, in conditions that would kill almost any mammal. When oxygen disappears, the naked mole rat switches how its brain works. It changes fuel sources. It enters a low-power state. No brain damage, no panic, just survival. This animal lives where humans would be crushed instantly, miles beneath the surface, in total darkness, under pressure so intense it would collapse steel. Yet some deep-sea fish thrive here. Their bodies are built to survive, forces that would destroy almost anything else. Death isn't always about violence. Sometimes it's pressure. This animal can survive the vacuum of space. No air, no water, extreme radiation. Tardigrades, also called water bears, can shut down almost completely. Their metabolism drops to near zero. They dry out and wait. Years later, add water and they come back to life. Some life on Earth is far tougher than we are. This animal can survive radiation levels that would kill a human. It can go weeks without food, days without water, and even survive losing its head for a short time. Cockroaches aren't invincible, but their slow cell cycles make them far more resistant than most mammals. Death doesn't scare everything.